Hello, everyone, and welcome back. School Morning Assembly anchoring script on New Year. And the script is: Time flies like an arrow, but the good thing is we are the pilot. Doesn't matter where we are from, what is our religion, our country, everybody celebrates New Year. Hello 2026. Hearty morning to everyone present here. On behalf of Ashoka House, I, Vrinda Chaudhary from class 8, welcome you all in today's morning assembly. And we all welcome the new year 2026. Let's thank our past years because they enabled us to reach today. Without the stairs of the past, we cannot arrive at the future. As we start the new year, let's get down on our knees to thank God. Dear God, bless us and our communities, bringing healing and peace. Now, everybody get ready for prayer, a prayer to prepare for the year ahead. And now, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, put down your hands. Our national pledge teaches values that everybody should carry throughout life. It reminds us of our duties to our country and fellow citizens. Let's do commitment to be a responsible and patriotic citizen. And let's take pledge. For this, I invite on stage Garvit from class 8. Thank you very much, Garvit. It's the perfect time to reflect on what we have learned and step into 2026 with hope and confidence. Good thoughts are a great way to share our feelings and spread encouragement. Let's welcome 2026 with positivity, wisdom, and joy. I invite on stage Ritima from class 8 to spread positivity and cheer with today's thought. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ridhima. Thought of the day is: if you want something you have never had, you must be willing to do something you have never done. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Thank you very much, Ridhima. Daily news connects us with current happenings, history, truth, and public responsibility. In the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's know what is happening in and around the world. To know latest news update, I invite on stage Wade from class 8. Thank you very much, Wade, for today's news update. New Year celebrations fill our hearts with hope and new beginnings. Everyone eager to set goals and big dreams. Let's motivate ourselves to set personal and academic goals for self improvement and new achievements. Let us journey together through the magic of the new year and discover its deep meaning. Let us know the importance of this day in everybody's life. I invite on stage Vishesh from class 9th to deliver a speech. Thank you very much, Vishesh. And after national anthem, no matter how do we celebrate the new year, its essence remains the same. It is all about connection, hope, and togetherness. It is also a reminder to heal, take up new opportunities, and move forward in life. May every day of 2026 bring happiness and prosperity in our ways. Here we end today's morning assembly. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.